Good morning from Ella. I'm here
Ella.
with Tara and Laura. Ella. When I have a daughter one day, I'm gonna call her Ella. That's been set since I was a kid. But anyways, hold on. I'm like hearing her in the back. Today we're going on a hike. Are there snakes here?
Yes.
That's his interpretation of snakes. I think, was it yesterday or 2 days ago? We were walking in a place with leeches, so I'm asking for all animals info. There's a lot of wild animals here. It's wildlife. Anyways, I'm like itching my legs as we speak because I have so much bug bites. I've gotten attacked. Right now we're hiking up a mountain and it has like a ridiculous view that everybody comes here to see. And then after that we're going to go see waterfalls. And if I keep talking I'm gonna lose my breath, so I'm just gonna stop for the time being. But it's beautiful up here. We're taking like about I guess it's like a mile walk up this cliff. It's really nice. Oh, you got flowers. That's pretty.
Can you eat them? No. No?
Pick them up again,
Oh God.
He loves it. Happily married. There's a tuk-tuk behind me. And now we're hiking up and we're hiking up the mountain and there's tea plantations right over here. That's what tea plantations look like. Secret passageway. I don't think we're allowed to go here, but the tour guide is letting us go here, so it's not our fault. These stairs are no joke, guys. Okay, we just walked up 250 stairs, and we got a lot more to the top. Oh my God. I am not an athletic girl. It may look like it, but I don't like it. I'm the last one. That's okay. Oh my God, I'm so tired. I hope it's all worth it when we get to the top. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die a day after my birthday. We finally made it to the top. Straight at the bottom, now we're here. We're not at the top? Well, that's official top. This is higher, I believe, personally. We're stopping to get some drinks at Cocoa Passion Fruit Juice. Right over here. That was fun. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
I am stoned.
Yeah, it was really good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
No, thank you.
This is my present, no money.
No.
From Crazy, my present.
No, it's okay. No.
Very beautiful.
No.
My present.
So we just arrived into an area that I've wanted to go to for a while. There is a big waterfall right behind me. There's music right behind me on that side. And there's cool little local shops here. Finally like a real local experience. And I'm here with Laura. Hey! Finally we're doing something exciting. Yeah.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye you guys, till next time.